Nasdaq emergency update. We just bounced off this ascending level of support here, which every single data point that we have here, which is going to be 5 or 6, depending on if you count the first one, it's an iffy one. Every single time we've done it in the past, we've had a huge bounce, and not just one green day, but several, actually weeks of green days. Okay, so here's the first one, right? Huge bounce, right? So from 12.3 all the way up to 13.5. Okay, that's a nice bounce. Next one right here, I mean, all the way up to all-time highs, right? And previously, that's the previous all-time high right now. Next time right here, boom, that's a nice high right there. And then this is the one where it's like, okay, do you count this one or not? You know, I'm not going to count it to be extra conservative, but this is another one. This is another one. Basically, ape language. When we hit this line here, we go up. That is your ape language, okay? Right now, we're seeing an aggressive bounce. We actually validated it essentially perfectly. Essentially perfectly, we validated it. But the scary thing here is that we don't have any reversal signs on the charts here. On the hourly, we don't have anything. On the 4-hourly, daily, you know, 2-hourly, we don't have anything. The Supertrend and the SAR, parabolic SAR, stop and reverse, whatever you want to call it, we don't have them. We don't have them at all. We have none of them. And this can be explained by, you know, we've gone down so much. It's like, well, it's going to take a little bit more than one green day, which is not even green. I mean, the Nasdaq is pushing right now. Obviously, we started out the day minus 2%, more than minus 2%. We are now almost green. Of course, that's amazing, but we're still red on the day. That's not really going to, you know, bring any reversal signs. So it's not that crazy. But also, another scary thing, another potential risk. Is this a dead cat bounce? Brandon, we've been oversold a ton, right? I mean, this is not even, I mean, you can't even really call it much of a bounce. I mean, because yeah, it's been a crazy day so far. If you bought the dip this morning like we were on the stream, but we are still red, you know, we're still red right now. But RSI, we're very oversold. We're at, the Nasdaq is at 39. We've not been this oversold in a while. And the last time we were, obviously, huge bounce and a correction in the upwards direction, not in the downwards direction. You also may be wondering what happens if we actually did break this ascending level, right? Are we instantly in a bear market? Well, actually not necessarily. Okay, I can see this happening. I can see this is a very likely thing. The 200-day exponential moving average, one of the strongest levels of support. If we look in the past here, I mean, it's not a perfect level of support, but typically when you see this bounce like roughly on it, it's a strong level of support and resistance, right? I can see us breaking below this ascending level and then making the 200-day EMA the new ascending level and going all the way up to all-time highs and maybe potentially turning this into a level of resistance potentially. These are all possibilities, and these are all possibilities that are, all these possibilities are, well, this one at least, okay? They're not bearish, okay? Just because we would, you know, quick retrace them down to 12.4, yeah, that would suck. Okay, is that going to happen in the next couple weeks? Personally, I don't think it's unlikely. I think that would require a major headwind, such as inflation and crazy inflation, Fed, JP interest rates, something like that, something crazy like that. Those are really the only things that I see being able to take us out and break us and confirm the breakdown below us any level. Current positions and portfolio showcase. I show you my portfolio regardless of how we're doing on the day, whatever time frame it is, right? JMIA is the one I want to highlight, right? Because we're finally in the green, but I did buy the dip today, and I bought the dip. I actually sold out a little bit of this earlier, which it doesn't seem like it because it's what? 34% of the portfolio. This one was an obvious buy this morning, and obviously the proof is on the live stream. Well, I guess the proof is right there as you just saw. But yeah, I bought this one. It was down 20%. It was down 22, 21% pre-market. I loaded, and I was in this before, so I actually did sell and then added way more a little bit lower. And BioNano, I did add a little bit to them as well. I'm now at 899 shares. I'm going to add more if we don't move very much in these next few hours here, most likely. But please do your own research, do your own investing due diligence, because I can be wrong. I've been wrong before, okay? If I was right on all my calls, we would still be up 133% like we were on February 16th, right? So please take what I say with a grain of salt. Relevant information in regards to the title is finished now. What do we do now, mate? This is an article that we're going to go over a little bit in the BioNano video we're going to do today, and I may be doing several BioNano videos today. Earnings for BioNano is May 13th, Thursday this week. Get ready for that. Set your reminder live stream. We're going to be streaming it. You're welcome, my friends. Free money. If you want free money, if you're interested in a free $20 to a couple $1,000, we will link in the description. We'll help you out. It is the best broker. It's the broker that I use. It is the best, no doubt. Yes, I do earn a small commission off what you earn at no extra cost to you. And it is the best. There's no strings attached. It's straight up free money in the form of free stocks, my friends. Anyways, this is not financial advice. Thank y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next one.